Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to do inward dryer. So see the technique. First I'm doing the straightening from the dryer Hector using the iconic brush. See the technique to do inward dryer. This is the technique how to open the hair from the brush. Now this is dummy hair, so I will not show you the complete look because it doesn't come out on this hair because we haven't do any type of cut. I will show you how you open the hair when you give in the cut, like forward graduation. So you need to do this type of dryer which is inward dryer. Thank you.